Okay, now we're coming to maybe something that's really exciting, which is how to make our website, our brand new website that is so awesome, go live so the entire world can see it. So, what we're going to do is we are going to open a new tab and you're going to open up your FTP program. So, in our class, we have a link on our materials that we can get to here. You can type it in here if you want to as well. Um, And then once you do this once, this will all be saved in here for you. But the first time you'll have to actually type it in. So the FTP server you'll have to type in. Our server is www.ecstudents.net. Our username is eccoder. And then our password. And I'm not going to say the password on this video because I'm theoretically uploading this video to YouTube. And so other people could, I don't know why anybody would want to watch this. And if you are watching this, you're lame because this is for my class. But I'm just not going to say out loud what it is. And so I'm just going to type that in and I'm going to say it in class, obviously. So I say login. And then we have what will come up as a list of all of the names in our class. And you have access to put these things anywhere you want. Now, please only do the things in your directory. Why do you have access to everybody's then? Well, there might be times where we want to create some projects together, and so you might need access to each other's, or we make a new folder. But this is just easier for us to have one login that is going to give us access to this all. So for me, I'm going to go to the Steam directory. And right now it says that this folder is empty. So I want to upload my file. So I'm going to click upload. And then it's going to bring me here. It's like, okay, I want to put it in Steam. And what do I want to upload? So I'm going to say choose file. And I'm going to upload my index. And I could do more than one if I wanted to. And when I get all done, I'm going to hit the check mark here to submit it. Does that mean I could press V and it would work? I don't know. Okay, so file index.html is okay. It was transferred. It's there. It exists. So that means I can now go to www.ecstudents.net / now the first thing is because to separate our year from other years, we're going to put it in the web app 21. So you have to type that in. And then I have to type in my last name. And then I'm going to hit enter. There's my page. It's live right on the internet. I can give this to everybody I know and say, check out my website. It's pretty awesome. And so anybody can do that. So, of course, the difference between this and open file and looking at my local version is that this one is the one that's saved on my computer. It's saying look in my computer to see this, while this one is saying look on the internet to see it, right? And so now I have an actual website. Now let's do one more piece of code since that was kind of exciting and I want to add something to my page. So I'm going to go to Google Images and I am going to type rainbow unicorn. Oh, yeah, this is good stuff. And I want one of these pictures to be on my website. So I'm just going to take a look here. Theoretically, I would find one that I know is actually going to work, but let me just randomly choose one and see what happens, right? So we'll take our very first one. I don't like this fact that it says product on it, like it's trying to sell me these things, but if I click on this, I'm going to get an image over here. And now I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to say open image in new tab. The important thing is that we need to know, this file has been saved in a folder called society /image / all these other things, right? What I want to do is I want to copy that entire piece, however long it is. Some of them might be short, some of them might be super long. And I'm going to go here to my page. And wherever I want to on my page, I'm just going to do it at the bottom of my page. I'm going to say my new tag is image. source, src. Think of spelling the word source and take out the vowels, and you're left with src. The source equals this whole long thing from the internet. And then that's it. There is no closing tag for an image. In HTML4, you were supposed to put a slash at the end to show that this is just closing itself rather than. So it's kind of optional. It's a good idea to put that in there, but it's going to work even if I don't. Make sure you close the quote tag. So I have a quote right here at the beginning. I have a quote here at the end. And then I have my greater than sign here to end the tag, right? So I'm going to save that by hitting the save button. I'm going to go, if I was to go back to my page and say, I want to see it, show me my thing. Remember, this is my web page. I haven't uploaded my new file yet, so I could see what it's going to look like if I go open location index. Ah, there it is. Woo! But it's not going to show it to me if I want to go to my actual website because I haven't uploaded the changes that I've made. So I have to go back to my FTP. I have to type in my my password again. Now look at this. It even remembers that last time I uploaded something, I uploaded it to Steen, so it's going to take me right to the Steen folder. And it's going to say, look, here's your folder, Steen. You've got one file in it, index.html. Well, I'm just going to do the same thing I did before, upload my new index.html, hit check. Let's see if it warns me it's going to be overwritten. No, it doesn't care. It's just like, no, you just overwrote your old one. And now when I come back here and I hit the refresh button, and then we'll talk about this too, but notice it put it with the words. It's kind of weird the way that it puts images on the page, but I have it. I have an image on my page, and it's beautiful. So there we go. I now have the best website in the world, and I'm kind of excited about it. And now I know how to save files locally, and I know how to upload them onto the internet so I can see them or show them to the entire world. So that's pretty exciting. I hope you enjoy.